Hello. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining this afternoon to the channel. Today, the topics today gonna be quality. So we have some guests that we would like to introduce. Uh, the first one will be Philip Crosby. Philip Crosby was born in June 18 in 1926. And he was best known as one of the founding father of total quality management. While there is a wrote entitled "Quality is Free" in 1997, the book was so successful that he has to quit the job and start a Philip Crosby Associates. He focused on teaching and how to implement the practices he wrote about this book. In 1991, he launched Career 4, where he acted as a consultant to organizations, teaching them how to develop senior executives. Right. So um he he gave us some tools to know how to make quality. If you agree with me, we have the 14 steps of quality improvement. Some of them is management commitment, quality improvement teams, measure processes, cost of cost of quality, quality awarenesses, monitor progress, something like that. Also, we have the Crosby vaccine. What is COVID vaccine? Well, we have 4 or 5 topics here. What is the integrity that interrelated with the systems, the communications, operations, and policies? All this is to have a better quality approach. Then we have the 4 absolute of quality. The first absolute is regardless the definition of quality is conformance to requirements. The second absolute, the system of quality is prevention. The third absolute is performance standard and serious defects. And the fourth absolute is measurement of quality is the price of non-conformance. And we have this quote: the quality is conformance to requirements. Nothing more, nothing less. I agree with G. Crosby. So, well, to make a summary, we can see that Philip Crosby, um, with his book "Quality is Free," and he defended the zero defects, one of his our absolute of quality. The 4 absolutes of quality. See the details below that we saw in the last slide, and the Crosby vaccine and the 14 steps of quality improvement. Okay. Uh, the second guest here is, as you can see, Dr. Joseph Juran, as well known as the father of quality, born in Romania in 1904, before immigration to Minnesota and to US. And from an early age, Dr. Juran displayed a keen interest of learning and developing skills. Okay, Juran's trilogies, Juran's consisting quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. Then we have the 10 steps of improvement and the quality control handbook, the cost of quality, and the Pareto principle. So this is some of the topics that we will see, not deeper, but just in the next slides. The Juran trilogy, quality planning and quality control and quality improvement. So we are in the continuous improvement. So I think you can, as you can see in the chart, we have the trilogy, and you can implement in your product or service and all the process that you have. Also, we have the Pareto principle. Um, Juran emphasizes the 80% of the problems are created for 20% of the causes. So you can use this tool for identify or to find uh, your problem, and you can attack the problem. And if you solve this problem, you will solve all the 80% of the problem, right? So also the cost of the quality, because we can have a failure of the cost, appraisal cost, and prevention cost. Also, the quality improvement 10 steps: set the goals, create the plans, provide training, conduct projects, report the projects, give it recognition for success, and also the quality by design. Quality by design is a fundamental principle of the quality planning stage. Okay, so as you can see, the Union's contribution, there were a lot, and also they were very close with the top level management. So we will view the next guest that we have, the Dr. W. Edwards Deming, born October in 14 of 1800. Dr. Edwards Deming was an eminent scholar and teacher in in academy for more than a half of century. He published hundreds of journal papers, articles, and books covering a wide range of interrelated subjects. Considered by many to be the master of continual improvement of quality, as well as their overall operation, Deming is the best known for his pioneering work in Japan, beginning of the summer 1950. Okay, so take a look in the topics that he he left us. The 14 points of managing. Also, this question: why quality? Improving quality leads to fewer mistakes, leading to decreased costs, to reducing amount spent reworks and correction. It also leads to better productivity. The decreased cost and better productivity allow companies to make the product or deliver the service at lower price. So this is a good question. Why quality? And and also we have the Deming system profound knowledge for appreciation for decision, knowledge of variation, theory of knowledge, and knowledge of psychology. Also, a tool that we usually use in all the manufacturing products on all the industries, the Deming cycle, PDSI. Plan, do, study, and act. The effects are not free. Somebody makes them and gets paid for making them. So this is a quote that I like very much. So at the end, I think we have definition the definition of the quality. So for example, I think if you are producing or manufacturing a product or doing a service, you have to put the measures. Okay, you have to put the standards, and you have if you have or if you define the quality based in these parameters, so you can say that the product, the manufactured product is quality or not, because it's fulfilling the expectations of the measures, right? So if you have zero defects or not a lot of defects, you can say the product is has quality. Also, in the other hand, you will see that you have the customer opinion. Okay, in the other hand, so if the expectations for the customers uh, are covered, so you can say the product has quality, right? So you have this both of the scenarios. If you complete the manufacturing part, you can see a factory that you are producing or giving a product with quality or service with quality. But in the other hand, you have the customer. If you say the customer fulfill the expectations that he has for the product or service, you can say the product has quality, right? So thank you for joining today. This was the topic for today. If you have questions, just give me in the comments. And thank you for watching us. Bye bye now.